Good morning from Graham Family Farm. We're out here watering the chickens and the pigs. And the ducks are starting to lay eggs. I thought they were both males, but apparently not. At least I think they're their eggs. I don't think the leghorns are laying eggs yet. These are kind of big white eggs. They like duck eggs. It's been a while since I've seen duck eggs. But that's definitely bigger than a chicken egg. And has to be a duck egg. Well, anyway, make good breakfast. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.